I ended up studying in Perho accidentally. I have 20 years previous career in tourism and travel. I started as a tour guide, then I was a tour leader in the Nordics and in Central Europe, and then I worked on the expedition ships all around the world. In 2024, I found myself looking for another meaning, looking for starting over, if you may. And I stumbled across an advertisement of Perho culinary program for international students. I think it was Facebook, maybe it was Instagram. And I thought, wow, I really love cooking. Culinary arts is my passion. I became excited, but I thought that probably it's not for me at the moment. I have a job and the times are turbulent. And then in a week, I saw the same advertisement one more time with all the happy people, and I thought I'll give it a try. And here I am, almost graduating in 6 months from now. The best thing at Perho is the community and the people. And I'm speaking both about the teachers and instructors and the fellow students here. When I was admitted and kind of got the confirmation letter, we were invited for an orientation day. The orientation day was so great, and I really loved the atmosphere in the college and the introductory word from the director and our future instructors and career counselors, Akis and Hanna. And that was the day when I made my final decision. And that was the same day when I actually quit my job, kind of put my 2 months notice. The atmosphere is amazing. Everybody is so open to questions, to support you through your studies, depending on what your goal is, depending on what your passion is. So far it was an incredible journey. My idea when I was kind of starting over, I thought of opening my own cafe or restaurant or something of a kind, and I really wanted to know everything from zero to, kind of from the behind the scenes. And this is what Perho has been consistently giving me: how to work safely in the kitchen, how to organize the process, what is food production. I do have future plans. I still want to open my own business, but after a year at Perho, I have a bit of a different vision. I really got into artisan baking, as in sourdough, everything, sourdough bread and sourdough pastry. And my dream is to open a small bakery. And another dream is, as I've already said, community is very important to me, and I see it as like a community educational project as well. Why I think you should apply to Perho is the community. You will get the knowledge, you will get the tools, and you will get the support. There are so many opportunities. You can get an international internship if this is something you're interested in. You have really great instructors who would lead you towards the level of professionalism that you need when graduating to land yourself a job. And even if you're not 100% sure that culinary career is something that you see yourself in the future, it's really worth a try, because this is a great skill that can support you through life.